Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. Today we will look at new chapter which is progression. Specifically, we will look at arithmetic progression. What is progression? Progression is actually a sequence of number. So arithmetic is one of the type of the sequence. Okay, let's look at one example. Okay, we have here 3, 6, 9, 12 and ... Okay, so the 3 here actually represent T1 or first term. 6 will be T2, the second term. 9 will be T3. 12 will be T4. And we have here a triple dot. This will represent that the list will goes forever. Okay. Now, the most important thing for arithmetic progression is we have to identify the first term. Okay? Or we write it as A. So this is the first term. Okay. Now the next one, we will have another very important characteristic for arithmetic progression. We call it common difference. Okay. Or we always write it as D, common difference. Common difference only apply to arithmetic progression. Okay, only apply to arithmetic progression. Remember? Okay, for common difference, to find it, we need to minus the second term with the first one. Or T3 minus T2. Or T4 minus T3. Or specifically, we can write it as, in general, T n plus 1 minus T n. Okay? If you look at the example, our common difference here refer to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Or we can use 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Or 12 minus 9 equal to 3. So this is what we call as common difference. We have the difference between each of the number here is 3. That is why we call it common. Okay, clear? Okay, very good. Okay, next we look at one example. We have here 3, 7, 11 and 15. So the first thing that you need to do for this question, you need to identify what is the first term. The question will ask you, what is the first term? So the first term here is 3. Okay, so this is your T1, T2, T3 and T4. Okay, common difference. Common difference here, simply take any pair to subtract. Any pair to subtract. Okay, you can choose T3 minus T2. It will give us 11 minus 7. So it will give us 4. So this is our common difference. Okay, as simple as that. Actually, you can choose T4 minus T3, any value, because it is arithmetic. Okay, next. The important part here. How to know whether the sequence actually arithmetic? How to know whether the sequence is arithmetic? Just now, I have mentioned that the most important characteristic is the sequence need to have common different in order to say that it is arithmetic progression. So we need to check the difference between each of the figure. Okay, let's look at the first one. Negative 2 minus negative 5. It will give us negative 2 plus 5 will give us 3. Okay, next, we test another one. It is not enough for 1. We need to test 2 or 3 value. So the next one is 1 minus negative 2. It will give us 1 plus 2. So equal to 3. It looks like it is common. Let's check the third one. 3 minus 1. It is equal to 2. So what do you think? Is this an arithmetic progression? The answer is no, because we don't have a common difference here. The first one is 3, second 3, but the fourth one is 2. So this is not an arithmetic progression. Now let's look at the next one. The next one here, we have 98 minus 98, 88, 68, 58. Okay, so 88 minus 98 will give us 10. Negative 10, sorry. Okay, next. 68 minus 88. It will give us negative 20. Finish the checking. Because it already tells us that it is also not an arithmetic progression, because the common difference because it don't have any common difference. Okay, now time for you to try on your own. Okay, this is the first skill practice. You can look at the question, try on your own. Copy the question inside your notebook and try the question on your own. This is the skill practice 1. You can pause the video and copy the question. And then this is the skill practice 2. You need to determine whether each of the following is an arithmetic progression. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Good luck. Assalamualaikum.